Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video we will talk about the latest update of Rocket Rabbit. As you know, in previous video I told you Rocket Rabbit the distribution completed. Even I show you how to withdraw your Rocket Rabbit token, how to transfer, how to withdraw Rabbit coin to Toonkeeper wallet. Finally, I just received the token inside Toonkeeper wallet. Inside this video I will show you how to transfer Rabbit coin from Toonkeeper wallet to BitGet exchange. The whole thing is step by step. I will guide you. What's the process, how to process in order to withdraw your token, in order to withdraw your airdrop to the BitGet exchange. Make sure watch this video. I know the price is not that much that we expected, but again it's fine. Again it's fine. We don't know about the future. Might be in the future the price of Rapid coin can be 0.01, can be 0.2 times 0 is 1. No one knows about that. Developers are just working very hard, developing new thing inside the application, especially about the gaming. So we can say this is a gaming project. Gaming project easily can give you huge profit. Even the market cap can be about 500 million. So watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Rocket Rabbit, Hamster Compact, other mining project, pre-sale project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this is the Rocket Rabbit mining application. In here you can see, finally I just withdraw my airdrop. Now you can see available 0. But this one, the 50% is still inside the application and it's locked for some period of time. But make sure in order to unlock this, in order to withdraw this or claim this airdrop, make sure continue the mining or continue playing this game. So if I show you about the transaction, let me show you. In here you can see, check in here, Rabbit coin, the transaction, the withdrawal completed. Now if I show you the Toonkeeper wallet, this is Toonkeeper wallet. You can see this is my token, RBTC, Rabbit coin. This is my token. Finally, I just received the airdrop inside Toonkeeper wallet easily without any transaction fee. I know we just transfer 0.5 Toon inside the Rocket Rabbit application before the distribution. Some of the users that transfer more amount of Toon coin inside the Rocket Rabbit application. Don't worry about that. You will get your token back inside your wallet. Even some of the users still their withdrawal is in the pending. So don't worry, our teams are just working to fix those problems. So soon you will get your withdrawal inside your Toonkeeper wallet, even inside other wallet. But soon, those who deposit, those who paid more than 0.5 Toon coin, don't worry because you will get the token back inside your wallet. So okay, now how to withdraw Rabbit coin from Toonkeeper wallet to BitGet wallet. So simply click on the RBTC, click on this, now click on send. Okay, in here paste your wallet address. It should be BitGet, it should be KuCoin, it should be get.io, doesn't matter. Whatever, any action you want to go with, make sure simply go to deposit, type RBTC, copy the deposit address and then paste it in here. So this is my deposit address. This is the BitGet deposit address in here you can see, and then now click continue. Okay, so in here I want to go with maximum. Now click on continue. So wait for a while. You can see in here, this is the address, this is the amount, this is the transaction fee. Transaction fee is 0.19 cent. So now confirm and send. Okay, finally done. The transaction just completed. Now you can see in here, I just transfer all of my RBTC from the Toonkeeper wallet to the BitGet wallet. So within a while, I can say within a minute, or I can say for half hour, 1 hour, I will get the token inside my BitGet wallet. This is the Rocket Rabbit. Finally, the distribution, the withdrawal, everything just done. Now let's check the price of Rocket Rabbit. Rocket Rabbit, the market cap is about 55 million. But now in here, I will show you the whole thing. Even we will check the chart of Rocket Rabbit. So this is coin market cap, and then Rabbit coin. Market cap is now 44 million. In previous video, market cap was 54 million. So 10 million just cash out from this token. Trading volume is 6.5 million. And then you can see the chart. This is the current price, 0.5 times 0 is 59.59. Overall, the price dropped 30%. So community sentiment, everyone is bullish on Rocky Rabbit. Everyone, 85% of the users are just bullish on the Rocky Rabbit. So nowadays, Telegram mini app airdrops are like Hamstar, Rabbit is where. So in this month we will see lots of airdrop distribution like Hamstar Combat. It's coming. Only 2 days remaining for the distribution already completed. 2 days remaining for the listing. So even might be tomorrow we will get the token inside our exchange wallet. If not tomorrow, next day. So the token of Rocky Rabbit is available inside Get.io, inside KuCoin, MEXC, BitGet, Albank. So and then Deducts, and here you can see. So this is the Rocky Rabbit. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, any problem regarding your transaction, regarding your withdrawal, let me know in comment section. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video, especially the like button. 21 time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. This video is end up in here to the next video. Goodbye. See you.